I'm Delyth, I'm the Training and Technical Officer for Digital Communities Wales. Digital Communities Wales has provided a number of training sessions as agreed with us and Pembrokeshire Libraries. These have involved things such as holistic ways to be digitally inclusive in the way that they work with their customers, also looking at things like providing support for job seekers. We've also provided a 2-day training session for them, which will eventually be accredited by Roedd. We do a lot of things around iPads and looking at new technology which traditionally libraries may not have used. We also have a lot of different apps and things like that which people can then go on and advise people to use within a library setting. It just adds a little bit more to the digital inclusion activities that libraries already offer, because they already do a lot around the traditional computer use, but it just means that we give them the additional resources that now meet the needs of people in the changing digital environment. Some of the potential benefits for the library staff: it gives them a chance to increase their digital skills. Some have got amazing digital skills already. It just adds that bit to it to mean that they can help keep up, because everything's changing so quickly within the digital environment. It means that we're there to be able to help them find the information that otherwise may take them a long time to do. In terms of the customers, it means that they're getting great quality information when they need it, so with immediacy. And also for volunteers, it gives them the chance to actually develop work-ready skills and employability skills which will help them in the work environment. Pembrokeshire Libraries are currently introducing a volunteer programme, the first cohort of which is coming through very soon, and we're hoping to be able to work with them to provide best practice training in digital inclusion activity for that as well.